Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain why do you cry after cutting an onion. Why do you cry after cutting an onion? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. I know many of you might wonder why when I cut an onion, I cry, but sometimes when I cut maybe avocado, maybe orange, pineapple, you don't cry. But why should it be just onion? So in this video, I'm going to explain the reason. It is like this. Onions are loaded with two chemicals. Onion, they contain sulfur, which give it a pungent smell, and also they contain an enzyme which is called synthase. So when you cut an onion, it means that the sulfur and that enzyme synthesis, they will react. When they react, they are going to form a compound. That compound is called lacrimatory evaporatory agents. So that compound, it is volatile in nature, so it will evaporate. So when you evaporate, it will go to the eyes. When you go to the eyes, it will meet the water layer in the eyes. So when you meet the water layer in the eyes, it means that lacrimatory evaporatory agent will react to that watery substance in the eye. It will go to form mild sulfuric acid. So that mild sulfuric acid, it is that which is going to cause itching and burning sensation to the eye. So when that happens, it means that now the eye will sense, okay, so it means to get out from that problem. So the eye, there will be stimulation of the tear glands to produce tears. So the tear glands will produce tears so that to wash away that mild sulfuric acid from the eyes. So that is why you cry. So that is the reason to why when you cut an onion, you feel crying. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.